The smart key not recognized error in Range Rovers is a common frustration that affects approximately 8 to 12% of vehicles manufactured between 2018 and 2023. Understanding how this sophisticated system works is key to diagnosing the problem. The Range Rover key fob is a sophisticated device containing multiple components. It has an RFID transponder chip for identification, a rolling code encryption system for security, and both low and high frequency transmitters for communication with the vehicle. All of these components are powered by a single CR2032 battery, which typically lasts 2 to 3 years under normal usage conditions. The vehicle side of the system includes several critical components. The body control module, or BCM, acts as the brain of the system, coordinating with the passive start, passive entry module, and various antennas throughout the vehicle. The BCM is the central processing unit that handles all authentication requests and communicates with the key fob through the antenna network. The authentication process follows 3 distinct stages. First, proximity detection occurs when the low-frequency antennas detect the key fob's presence near the vehicle. Second, the BCM initiates a challenge response sequence, sending an encrypted challenge to the key fob, which must respond with the correct encrypted code. Finally, validation occurs through rolling code verification, where the system confirms the authenticity of the key and authorizes engine start. Smart key recognition failures have 4 primary causes. Battery-related issues account for 40% of cases, typically involving dead or weak CR2032 batteries that reduce the key's transmission range. Software and firmware problems represent 25% of failures, often involving glitches in the BCM or PEPS module that prevent proper key authentication. Physical damage to the key fob accounts for 20% of issues, including water ingress, impact damage, or internal circuit malfunctions. Finally, antenna and wiring problems cause 15% of recognition failures, typically involving faulty door handle antennas or damaged wiring harnesses. Jaguar Land Rover has issued updated technical service bulletins to address these issues. TSB LTB 00458 NAS1, updated in 2024, covers 2019 through 2024 Range Rover models experiencing intermittent key fob recognition failures. TSB LTB 00512 specifically addresses body control module software updates and enhanced authentication protocols to improve system reliability. Additionally, enhanced diagnostic procedures have been introduced, requiring dealers to use SDD version 164 or later for more accurate problem identification and resolution. The most common cause of smart key recognition issues is a weak or dead battery. This accounts for about 40% of all cases and is the easiest problem to fix. Here's what a CR2032 battery looks like inside. The positive terminal should face up and make sure the contacts are clean before installation. If battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, the issue might be software related. This accounts for about 25% of smart key failures and requires dealer intervention. Physical damage to the key fob accounts for about 20% of recognition issues. This includes water damage, dropped keys, or worn-out buttons that affect the internal components. Vehicle antenna or wiring problems cause about 15% of smart key issues. These problems typically occur in specific locations around the vehicle and require diagnostic testing. Newer Range Rover models feature advanced technologies like ultra-wideband communication and smartphone integration, providing additional options when traditional keys fail. If simple solutions don't work, it's time to consult a Land Rover dealer. Professional diagnostics can resolve 85% of smart key issues, with most repairs completed in under 3 hours. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance can reduce smart key failures by up to 65%, saving both time and money in the long run.